Hello my dear students, this is Mandeep Kaur, your EVS teacher. I hope you all are fine there, and today we are going to study about birds. Birds are the animals whose bodies are covered with feathers. They live on land, on trees and near seas or freshwater bodies. Birds have a pair of wings and feet also. Some commonly birds that we see around are crows, sparrow, hens, pigeon and eagles. Almost all birds can fly, but some of us think that any animal that has wings is a bird, but it is not. Bats and flies have wings and can fly, but they are not a birds. Next, features of birds. The body of a bird is divided into three parts: head, trunk and tail. They have two pair of limbs, wings towards the front and legs at the back. They do not have hands. Birds have two eyes, one beak and no teeth are there of birds. They have different type of legs with sharp claws. They use their claws to perch on branches, scratch on the ground and hold their food. And birds, they lay eggs. Next, wings. Birds have a special features that help them to fly in the sky. They fly with the help of wings, and that wings, they are attached to their bodies by a strong flight muscles. These muscles, they help them to move their wings up and down. Although all the birds have wings and feathers, they fly at different heights and covers different distances. Some cover short distance, some cover long distance also. Birds like crane, red knots, parrot, they fly long distances. But peacock, hens, they fly short distances. And eagle, vulture, they fly very high in the sky. Whereas bulbul, sparrow, they fly the lower height in the sky. Not all the birds have wings and feathers can fly. Some birds such as kiwi, pigeon, ostrich, they cannot fly as they have heavy bodies and they have weak flight muscles. That's why they are not able to fly in the sky. Next, feathers. The body of a bird is covered with feathers, which provide them a shape, and it's make the bird very beautiful and help it to fly. Feathers are of three types. First is body feather, second down feathers and flight feathers. Body feathers, it covers the whole body to give a shape, to give a proper shape of birds. Down feathers, they are small, soft and fluffy feathers that cover their bodies. Very young birds are covered only in down feathers, which trap the body heat and it keeps them warm. Flight feathers, as the name suggesting, flight means to fly in the sky. It helps the birds to fly in the sky. They are present in wings and tails of the birds, and it also helps them to change the direction while flying. Feathers also help the birds to swim. In some aquatic animals, that they live in water, and aquatic birds also, they live in water, and their feathers are also waterproof, which prevents them from getting wet. मतलब गीला होने से बचाते हैं. Their feathers जो होते हैं उनके waterproof होते हैं. Ducks and penguins have such feathers. The colorful feathers give birds a distinct look and also help them to hide from their enemies, to hide from their predators. Next, we'll talk about birds' beaks. Birds use their beaks to catch and to eat food. Beaks are also of different shape, as you can see, depending on the kind of food they eat. Sparrows have strong beak so that they can crack open the nuts and seeds that they eat. Ducks have broad and flat beaks with holes on either side to drain out the water, leaving the worms, insects and plants in their mouth. So birds use their beaks for gathering material for making their nest. They also use their beak for cleaning their feathers also, and to feed their young ones, to feed their babies. Next, feet. Birds' feet are all different size and shape. They have 2 feet with 4 toes, 3 of which they are facing in the forward direction and 1 is on the backward side. Feet are also used to walk. To hop means to take a short or quick jump, hold and catch prey and pick things. Some birds like crows, sparrow, they perch on the branches of tree. They have toes that help them to grip and hold the branches firmly. Birds like hens, they have sharp and hard claws to scratch the ground. And birds like eagle, hawk, they have strong, sharp, large and curved claws which are known as talons. Aquatic birds like duck and swans, they have webbed feet that help them to swim in water. Next is nest. Birds make nest. Why? So that to lay eggs. They use different material like grass, thread, wool, twigs, some strips of cloth to make their nest. They use their beaks to collect these things and build their nest. They hatch their eggs by keeping them warm in the nest. Once the baby birds are strong enough to fly, they leave their nest. Next we'll talk about some migratory birds. So different types of birds, they live in different places depending on the climate of a place. However, there are some birds that travel long distances so as to escape from cold weather in search of food and to lay eggs. When the season change, when the climate change, they return to their places where they belong to. So these birds, they are known as migratory birds and their movement is known as migration, to move from one place to another. Next is caring for birds. Bird feeding. It is an activity of feeding wild birds, often by means of bird feeder. Food items like peanut, grain, seeds and water in bowls can be kept in open spaces and in the garden and in our balconies also. So this was all about this chapter. Thank you. Till then, bye bye.